Digital currencies have been in the titles for both renowned and scandalous reason, no matter what their purposes behind standing out as truly newsworthy. One can obviously see the developing prominence of crypto among brokers and financial backers. This change was somewhat deferred chiefly due to the absence of assets expected to instruct individuals about this progressive thought. Yet, developing admittance to innovation and rapid web is making a huge difference for good. These days, there is no deficiency of digital forms of money or crypto trades on the lookout. Accordingly, individuals can now effectively get to the crypto market and make ventures or just exchange different cryptos. ARC token principal worth. Obviously, more than large number of cryptographic forms of money are right now accessible on the lookout. Be that as it may, relatively few can truly match the contribution of the ARC coin. This money has existed beginning around 2017. And that implies a ton in crypto terms. Its interesting highlights and functionalities have drawn in merchants and financial backers from many spots. ARC coins cost stand at 47 cents as of July 2022, with a market capital of $65,573,492 and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,704,362. The costs of the ARC coin have been expanding at a consistent rate, settling on at a practical speculation decision. Be that as it may, other than venture, there are numerous alternate ways where the ARC coin yields a major worth. Exchanging resources. Similarly as with pretty much every other digital currency on the lookout, you can exchange ARC coins to create benefits. Various crypto trades in the market support the ARC coin. Probably the most notable of those trades incorporate Binance, Bitavo, Upbit, and some more. ARC coin value figure. Of all the digital currencies as of now accessible on the lookout, the ARC coin is one of the most dependable decisions for any financial backer. The ARC network is going through ordinary upgrades to meet the changing necessities and prerequisites of the market. These characteristics make the ARC coin a dependable speculation decision for what's to come. Obviously, the coin has experienced several difficulties, yet these misfortunes result from a disturbance in the whole market. Take even the most performant digital money, and you can see even these tokens experience the ill effects of harms occasionally. On the brilliant side, ARC coins have expanded by 2.38% as of now. Technical examination. The presentation of the ARC coin has been pretty much unsurprising over the recent years. The token has encountered ups and downs and figured out how to support its worth more than the $1 mark. In any case, things went south starting from the start of 2022 when the symbolic worth plunged further, bringing it beneath the $1 mark. In any case, fortunately the token has been showing extraordinary development lately. Its worth is 47 cents as of July 2022, with a market cap of $65,318,645 and a circling supply of 138,684,917 ARC. The important figure here is the 24-hour exchanging volume of the ARC coin, which remains at $3,705,456. This is a decent sign that such countless individuals are as yet putting resources into ARC coin, which builds its possibilities of better execution in no time. Fundamental investigation. Crypto financial backers and brokers understand what they are managing. The unstable idea of the crypto market is certainly not confidential to anybody. Subsequently, there is no option in contrast to profound exploration and an expected level of effort while putting resources into crypto. One such area of a reasonable level of effort is the major examination of the token, which assumes a key part in deciding the future exhibition of crypto. ARC coin has a hardy groundwork with mechanical upgrades that widely helps its clients. The ARC network works on the agreement calculation with a pointed verification of stake. This isn't something you can without much of a stretch find in crypto nowadays. Other than that, the shrewd chain component assumes a key part in giving clients the adaptability to team up with other blockchains. So considering this multitude of contributions, any reasonable person would agree that it accompanies an exceptionally vigorous establishment. Note, one can never sabotage the ramifications of unpredictability in the crypto market. This instability makes it extremely testing to foresee the future exhibition of any token. Yet, those referenced above specialized and essential examination provide you with an overall thought of where the ARC coin is going presently. Financial backers and brokers should not depend on this data but rather likewise do all necessary investigation and an expected level of effort to go with the right and informed business choices. Since you have a superior comprehension of the specialized and key parts of the ARC coin, it is time we plunge further. The accompanying segment will walk you through the value expectation of the ARC coin for the next few years, so ensure you allude to these forecasts by specialists to pursue informed venture choices. ARC token value forecast. Altcoin value expectation for 2022, likely ROI, 114%. Altcoin began 2022 with a somewhat brittle state. This is whenever the symbolic's worth first plunged underneath the $1 mark after its send-off. The token began with a valuation of about 77 cents and things were pretty much stable before the feeling of dread toward a crypto crash on the 12th of May. Tragically, the worth plunged further low after this large number of intricacies, and the altcoin's worth as of now remains at 47 cents. The uplifting news here is that the symbolic gives extraordinary recuperation indications, with a 2.38% increment in its worth as of now. This is a decent sign that proposes the token is moving in the correct course, as indicated by Trading Beast ARK specialists. Coin will end 2022 at a worth of 65 cents, which is a slight improvement. Specialists from priceprediction.net are promising the worth will remain somewhere near 50 cents toward the finish of 2022. Then again, specialists at Wallet Investor are taking a hopeful view with their forecasts, proposing the costs will reach $1.83 toward the finish of 2022. By 2023, specialists at Trading Beast are foreseeing the costs of altcoins will reach 58 cents. Specialists from priceprediction.net concur with this view, with their gauges proposing the costs to reach 73 cents toward the finish of 2023. In actuality, specialists from Wallet Investor are as yet hopeful, with their expectations demonstrating the costs of altcoin to reach $1.99 toward the finish of 2023. Altcoin value expectation for 2024. Likely return for capital invested, 214%. 2024 will presumably be an extraordinary year for the altcoin, as most specialists are hopeful that the costs will increment further in 2024. Specialists from Trading Beast accept that the costs will reach 64 cents toward the finish of 2024. Priceprediction.net likewise adheres to a hopeful view, with their conjectures recommending an increment taking the costs to $1.08 before the year's over. At long last, specialists from Wallet Investor propose the costs will reach $2.61 toward the finish of 2024. This is a similar sign representing things to come execution of the altcoin. Altcoin value expectation for 2025, likely return on initial capital investment, 362%. Good faith closes with 2024 on the grounds that specialists are hopeful about altcoin's costs. Specialists from Trading Beast accept the costs will arrive at another valuation of 79 cents, which is pretty much uplifting news. Then again, specialists from priceprediction.net trust that altcoin's costs will reach $1.63 by December 2025. Then there are specialists from Wallet Investor who propose the costs will take off up to a valuation of $3.95 toward the finish of 2025. Altcoin value expectation for 2030. Possible return for capital invested, 918%. Each crypto financial backer should consider the long haul to succeed. Most crypto specialists are hopeful about altcoin's costs in the long haul. Specialists from Trading Beast recommend the cost will at last penetrate the $1 imprint and reach $1.13 constantly Zen. Then, at that point, comes specialists from priceprediction.net who trust that altcoin will alleviate its greatness days, with